The Beauty Pageant's Green Room, with foreword by Miss Universe Sushmita Sen. The book has got great reviews from national newspapers like Hindustan Times, Deccan Herald and many more. The book, which has given India some very well-known names like Manushi Chillar, Srishti Kaur, Shefali Sood, Naz Joshi, Vidisha Balyan and many more. The book, which has passed through the hands of some very well-known celebrities nationally and internationally and is being raved not only from the field of pageants but also as personality development book from the corporates, from management schools and almost every individual who has laid their hands on this book. This book is actually 795 rupees, but it is being sold at 17,000 rupees because it's completely out of stock and so much in demand that people are even ready to pay 17,000 rupees for the same. But here's the great good news. I have few copies with me. If you want to buy this book, I am selling it at my own cost price of rupees 600 plus rupees 400 as courier nationally. Because of the pandemic, the charges of couriers have gone high. So many people have appreciated this book before and after it was launched. I hope you go ahead and buy this book if you really want to develop your personality, and all the very best. In case you need this book, just send an SMS on 9811 44300. Yes, 9811 44300. In case you don't want to spend 17,000 rupees, you can get it from me in just 1,000 rupees, everything included. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your copy now.
Hello everyone. Firstly, congratulations Rita ma'am on the completion of your book. It is a wonderful effort from your side and definitely it is going to help all the aspirants. We all know how hard you have worked for this book and it will definitely be a huge success. You are a wonderful friend and a great mentor and I am so excited for the launch. I would highly recommend everyone who wants to polish their personalities to order right now. All the best, ma'am.
Hi, I am Koya Rana, Femina Miss India World 2014, and I have something for you that would help you become a queen. It's a book. It's The Beauty Pageant's Green Room by my mentor Rita Gangwani, and it is a great book for all the pageant aspirants. It's going to take you a step closer to your crown, and it's a step-by-step guide that would tell you what exactly you need to participate in a pageant. So go ahead, get a copy for yourself.
Hi, this is Elisha Mir. This video is about Rita Gangwani ma'am's book, The Beauty Pageant's Green Room. So this book is one of the first books that I read while starting my preparations for my pageant, and clearly if you are a pageant aspirant, this book is a must read for you all. It helps you and gives you the details about how to prepare for, how to go through, and eventually even if you end up winning the pageant, it has all the details that you need to follow thereafter. Rita Gangwani ma'am is one of the best people that I have met. She is the best source of motivation, positivity and power for me, and I know that she will be the best for you too.
Thanks a lot, Rita ma'am, for helping me to overcome stage phobia. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this book. This book really helped me a lot to improve my personality and confidence level. So please read this book. It will help you to improve your personality and confidence level. Also, interview skills. And it will also tell you that how to take care of skin and hair. I used to read this book while preparing for Miss Duff World 2019.
हाय, मैं हूँ हरिंदर मनकड़ और मैं रीटा जी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। उनकी जो नई बुक लॉन्च हो रही है, ईश्वर करे वो ऐसे ही लिखते रहें जैसे वो खुद एक अच्छी इंसान है, उनकी सोच अच्छी है, लोगों तक वो सोच और बढ़िया तरीके से पहुँचे और किताबों के ज़रिए पहुँचे। तो मेरी उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Hi, this is Manoj Sharma and I am wishing Rita Gangwani ma'am all the very best for her new book launch, The Beauty Pageant's Green Room. I am sure this book is gonna rock. It's gonna be the Bible for all the aspirants. Ma'am, you are so experienced, you have seen the world. I am sure this book will do wonders and I wish you all the very best and see you on 20th. Thank you very much.
Hi Rita ji, was delighted to hear about your book. I wish you all the success. May Baba be with you. You're anyway so multi-talented. God bless you. Really looking forward to this.
रीता गंगवानी की किताब द ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स ग्रीन रूम के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। इसमें व्यक्तित्व विकास के सारे गुण हैं। ईश्वर करे ये किताब बहुत ही सफल हो। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Hello, Rita. You have over the years imparted invaluable training to a lot of young people in grooming, in how to live a better life. And I'm sure the launch of your new book on grooming is going to add a new dimension to all the training that you will be imparting to young people in the years to come. It has been my privilege to work closely with you in the past few years, and I wish you and your book all the very best.
Hi, this is Shalini Arora Kocha, wishing my friend Rita Gangwani all the very best for her new book, The Beauty Pageant's Green Room, the ultimate grooming Bible. I think all of you who want to be groomed and look good and feel good, gotta pick it up and read it. All the best, Rita.
Hi, Rita ma'am. Heartiest congratulations for the launch of your new book, The Beauty Pageant's Green Room. This book is going to be extremely valuable for all the beauty pageant aspirants, as it contains your experience over the years, your knowledge and your valuable thoughts. Wish you all the success and I can't wait to have this book, my personal copy for me. Thank you so much, all the very best.
Congratulations Dee for your book, The Beauty Pageant Green Room. You always rock, you always support me. Love you so much. All the best.
Hello there, I'm Natasha Suri and I'd like to wish Rita ma'am all the very best on her new endeavor. Lots of love and lots of success to you.
The Beauty Pageant's Green Room